Welcome to AECFirmAI.com. In this video, we're going to be going over the automated title commitment processing for surveyors. So on the left side of our menu, we're going to go into Survey Tools, Title Commitments. We'll see a list of our previously ran title commitments here, but we're going to start a new one to see the process. So we'll give it a project number. And then we are going to upload the title doc and submit it. Once we submit it, we're going to land at the details page for this specific title commitment. And you'll see at the top the number we gave the project when we've submitted it and its current processing status, which is new, and we have a PDF to it as well. So once the process begins and this leaves the queue, it's going to be extracting all the text from that specific PDF so that it can compare all of the exceptions that are going to come out of it. So once we have the text extracted, it will go through the title commitment and get every single linked PDF, and it will start to populate those here. That process takes about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how many you have. So while we wait for that, we're going to go to one that's already processed so you can see what it looks like. So if we go back to Survey Tools and Title Commitments, we'll go into our one that we ran earlier today. Same title commitment, so we can see it's completed. Now what we have is exception docs from that original title commitment, all organized in one easy to read table. So if I go in to any of these, it's going to give me details about the exception doc that it downloaded, a direct link to that, but it also gives you a preview of the PDF that it downloaded. So you don't have to leave the system and download a bunch of files if you don't want to. So here we can see everything that was in that PDF, and this one was from 1883, and it was still able to read everything and compare it to the original title commitment. So you can download it, you can open it in a new tab if you want, and if we go back to that list of title commitments, you can sort however you want to, whatever's easiest for you by any of these different variables. And if you do still want it in Excel, we can export this. And you'll see it gives you an Excel doc with the 21 different documents that it found within that title commitment and details for it on every single document. So the hopes is that this helps save some time and be more efficient and allows staff to focus less on going through the title commitment and downloading individual PDFs and saving them, and also having a centralized location to where you can go into any of these, view them so everyone's looking at the same thing. But in addition to that, if you need to manually upload any additional ones, you can here. If you want comments about the title commitment in the exception process, you can do it here. We're also working on a different view, so instead of seeing it as a table, you can see it as individual cards. So hopefully that is coming in the short future as well. And that's all for today. If you have any questions, reach out through AECFirmAI.com.